Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today, I just want to share an update on the Moo Moo trading app. I recently signed up not too long ago, just because I wanted to get the free stocks. So they finally delivered. I was able to sell them. I just want to show you guys like the results. So yes, they do give out free stocks, but don't expect like anything like fantastic. For example, I got one share of Google, which is pretty good, I think. 7 shares of Grab, one share of SoFi, which I think could be okay, and 7 shares of Sirius. So I don't know what the current promotion is like. They kind of change every so often. But if you can, I still have like my affiliate link. So far I haven't gotten much from that, or I actually haven't gotten anything from that yet. But if you're looking for like a backup broker, I think this is pretty good. Um, so let's get right into it. So like I tried to sell like the Grab twice. It didn't fill, so I had to do it again. But eventually I was able to sell it. Um, So in total, I was able to get $200.60 out of that. So based off of like a $5,000 transfer, I was able to get like a 4% return, which isn't bad. I mean, it's just free stock, and they did give it to me. There is like a waiting period, but it's not that big of a deal. Um, so I think the pros is that you get free stuff, so you can't be too bad, right? And then I think for myself, I think it's good for like a backup broker, because I think some of you guys know already that TD Ameritrade. Um, I think a lot of clients already moved over to Schwab, so everything's all combined now. So like I don't like to have too much money concentrated in one place. So I think Moo Moo and then I guess maybe Webull might be another good one. Like that's also like free commissions and stuff. I also use like Tastyworks. What well, it's actually called Tasty Trade now. So I also use that. So it's good to have like options. I guess like the risk for Mumu is that it's China based. So in the future that might be a problem if global relations worsen again. But I guess like everything so far seems okay. So like I guess like plan accordingly and move maybe just like enough just to get like free stuff, and then if you want, then you can always like transfer back out. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. And thank you everyone for liking and subscribing. I really appreciate all the new subscribers. So thank you, and I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope you guys make a lot of money out there. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.